Roles. In our wholesale store, you can create separate accounts for your employees and grant them different privileges. It is particularly useful if you have several points of sale or several people are responsible for placing orders. You want to restrict your employees from seeing prices and sales documents. You want to have full control over your purchase history without having to place orders by yourself. To use the functionality, select My Account, Users, Add User. Fill in the form entering your name, last name, and email address. It must be a new address which has not been used while creating the wholesale store account. Next, enter the contact phone number, secure password, and select the user's role. In order to see the detailed scope of privileges, click the provided link. You can choose one out of 3 types of privileges. 1. The manager has full access to prices, purchase history, and sales documents. They can manage the delivery addresses and the privileges of other employees. The manager can be a supervisor of a point of sales or a close associate. 2. Employee 1 has full access to prices, all orders, and commercial documents. He can add a new delivery address but cannot edit or delete them and is not authorized to manage other employees. 3. Employee 2 will not see prices of products at any point and will not have access to commercial documents. Similar to Employee 1, he won't be able to edit or delete delivery addresses and will not be authorized to manage other employees. After having filled in the form, click Create Account. Next, select the facility which will be assigned to the employee and click Assign. You can change the assigned facility at any time. In order to do it, click Remove Assignment. Return to the list of employees by clicking Users. Here you can see all the employees' accounts. Now you can activate the account. To do it, please click 3 dots next to the selected employee and click Activate. Here you can also edit the employee's details, including the selected role and assigned facilities. After activation, you will receive an email confirming the creation of the account. Don't forget to check your spam or offers folder where messages may have gone. Now your employee can use the account. You can watch all the videos about the site's features in the menu playlist.